Today, we're going to talk about using automations to manage employee data subject requests. You can build any automation in 3 steps. Start by thinking about your own organization because everyone's a little bit different. By default, DataGirl is going to process requests through all available integrations at once, but that might not be right for you. Do certain types of data subjects never have data in certain systems? Or are certain users subject to required data retention policies? Or maybe the requests that you deny tend to have a certain something in common. Sketch out your logic for how a request should be processed. In our example, we identified different systems as relevant depending on our relationship with the data subject. We might also branch paths by the policy the request comes in under, the type of right being exercised, or whether data is bound in a certain system. Or perhaps some integrations need to be processed before others. Once you know what the process should be, it's time to build. From the Automations tab in your sidebar in DataGirl Admin, choose Create Workflow. Pick a workflow type based on the phase of the request that you hope to automate. You'll then be able to add conditions and actions from here. Remember that requests start in extracting personal data, and once all data is retrieved, move to pending action, giving the privacy manager an opportunity to review and modify results. Finally, deletion and pause processing requests, move to pending delete. Each workflow type can automate actions in that phase and each subsequent phase. You'll assemble your workflow using a combination of conditions, like whether or not the request is from an employee, and actions. Your workflow can automatically deny requests when certain conditions are met, process integrations in a certain order, or assign tickets to specific users, or all of the above. You can use automations to intelligently automate requests from end to end, or to simply cut out a few steps for an individual assigned to manually process the request. Or you might have a hybrid workflow where simple requests can be completed automatically and the rest routed to your team. Once you have your idea in mind, an automation only takes a few minutes to configure. You're always welcome to reach out to your account manager or to support at datagirl.io for additional assistance building. Once your workflow is live, you can save hours of time on every request you receive moving forward.